Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmud International School, Akura. How are you, students? Hope you are well, and I hope you are studying at home. Yes. So, dear students, as you know, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 4, the world outside. And in last video we have solved exercise number 1 and 2, page number 59. I hope you would understood and copy in book number 1. Yes, did you copy? Very good. Very good. The students who copied and the students who still did not copy, they will copy. Okay. They will learn and copy today. Okay. Dear parents, please help your ward to complete their work and make them prepare for upcoming examination. Okay. Second evaluation test. So dear students, today we are going to learn grammar plural. What is plural? Yes. What is plural? When we talk about more than one person or thing, we use the plural form of the naming word. Okay. So here we have to understand what is plural. What is plural? Plural means more than one. Okay, more than one. It is a form of word. Here are two forms, singular and plural. Okay. Singular means it refers one. Okay, it means one. And plural means more than one. Okay, more than one. Got it? What is, repeat after me, plu, rals, plurals. What is plurals? Yes, it's a form of verb. Okay, it's a form of verb. Plural means more than one, एक से ज़्यादा. Okay, when we talk about more than one thing, so we will use plural form of the words. Okay, so singular, sin, sing, gular, lar, it is singular. Singular means one. Singular means one thing, one noun. Okay, and plural more than one. Okay, plurals more than one. Okay, got it? So see, today we are going to learn about plural forms. How we will make plural form. Okay, there are many ways of plural form. Okay, but today we will use a way how to make plurals. Okay, how to make plurals. See, on your screen you can see example. Hope you would understood the definition of plurals. Okay, here you can see on your screen, when we talk about more than one person or thing, we use the plural form of the naming word. Okay, we usually add s. Okay, s, the word to get its plural. Okay, what do we use generally? What do we use usually to make plurals, to get plurals? Yes, we usually add s. Where we will add s? Yes, at the end of the word. Okay, so it is a way to make plurals or to get plural form of singular. Okay, singular word. Got it? So today we will learn about how to add s to get plural form. Okay, see, here you can see on your screen examples. One mountain, it is a singular form. Okay, many mountains, it is a plural form. It is a, what is it, plural. Okay, you can see on your screen mountains. Which letter is extra or more in the mountain? Yes, you can see. Yes, at the end of the mountain there is a s. There is a extra s. Okay, so here one mountain means it is a singular, okay, and many mountains, okay. So here mountains, we will say mountains, not many mountain. So we have to understand here, we will add s at the end of the word. So after adding s, it will become what will it become? Yes, plural, okay, plural. What it will become? Plural form of the word, okay, plural form of the word. See next, one stream, one stream, many streams, okay, one streams, many streams, okay. Here you can see there is a extra s, okay, addition s added in stream, so it will become plural form, okay. स्ट्रीम में एस मिलाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा उसका? प्लूरल फॉर्म. सो होप यू वुड अंडरस्टूड हाउ विल बी. सो आफ्टर एडिंग एस इट विल बिकम प्लूरल फॉर्म, ओके. सी वन विलेज, मैनी विलेजेस, ओके, मैनी villages. So which letter is added in village? Yes, you can see in both words. Yes, there is a addition s, okay. You can see what is this addition? S. So after addition, after adding s, it will become plural form. Got it? To get plural form, we will add s, yes, in singular noun. Got it? Hope you would understood. So dear students, you can see on your screen there are many singular nouns. What are these? These are singular nouns. What are these? These are singular nouns. Write the plural of these words. You have to solve this exercise, okay. So how we will solve? See, elephant, okay. So what will be the plural of elephant? Yes, elephants. We will write as it is the noun, and at the end of the word we will add s. What we will add? Which letter we will add there to get plural form of elephant? Yes, which letter we will add? S. Here we will add s. So as it is we will write elephant, ELEPHANTS, okay, and after that we will add s. It will become plural form, okay. Then after that dog, DOG, dog. What will be the plural form of dog? Dogs, okay. And books, what will be the plural form of book? Yes, books, BOOK, book, and after that we will add s. So it will become what? It will become plural form of book, okay, books. Then pencil. So tell the plural form of pencil. Yes, I hope most of students will be answering pencils, okay. Only we have to add s where? At the end of the word, okay, like this, pencil. Then cat, okay, you can see cat. So what will be the plural form of cat? CATS, cats, okay. Leg, leg means pair, okay, one leg and more than one legs, okay. We will make plural after adding s. Got it? Hope you would understood. Then finger, okay, finger. So you can see finger. What will be the plural form of finger? Yes, FIN, finger, FIN, GER, finger, and then we have to add s. So it will become fingers. Got it? Hope you would understood. Like this you have to write plurals of these words, okay. Got it? Hope you would understood. Then brother, okay. After brother, what will be the plural form of brother? Yes, brothers, okay, brothers. Then mother, what will be the plural form of mother? Mothers. So how will we making plural of these words? Yes, how are we making plural form of this word? we are making the plural form of this word after adding the s, or to add s. Okay, by adding s. Got it? Where will we add the s to get plural form? Yes, at the end of the word. Got it? This is a very simple way to get plural form of the word. Got it? Hope you would understood. Then father, what will be the plural form of father? Fathers. Flower, flowers. House, houses. Okay, door, doors. Wall, walls. Got it? Then teacher, teachers. Okay, teachers. And school, schools. Pen, pens. Then hand, hands. Okay, got it? So here you can see the students. Next exercise. Okay, now this next exercise. See, write what you see in the pictures as shown in the examples. Okay, as shown in the examples. What are you seeing in this picture? That, so is it plural or singular, and how many in numbers? So you have to write like this. Okay, 1 2 3. How many cows are there? 3 cows. What is this? Yes, what is this? This is bad. Yes, what are these? These are tables. These are tables. So let's count how many tables are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to write here 6 tables. Okay, 6 tables, not table, because these are more than one. Okay, see next. What are these? Pencils. How many pencils are there? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you have to write there 8 pencils. AIGHT, 8 pencils. PEN, pen, CILS, pencils. Okay, and what are these? Yes, these are leaves. These are leaves. So how many leaves are there? There are 10 leaves. Okay, 10, TEN, 10, LEAVES, leaves. It's a plural form of leaf. Okay, 10 leaves. And what is this? This is one eye. This is one eye. How many eyes are there? 2 eyes. So you have to write there 2 eyes. 2 eyes, like this. Okay, then what is this? This is window. How many windows are there? There are 4 windows. So you have to write there 4 windows. Then how many apples are there? 5. And how many flowers are there? 7. So you have to write there 7 flowers, like this. Okay, got it? Hope you would understood. In next video we will solve next exercise. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.